Not sure if we're quite in the right position. So the Harrier CBX I was doing, let's take it off racket channel onto Mega Chippie channel. We'll run with the standard replacement mic throughout. Cybernet 134 upper tier, and it should be absolutely spot on. Tango 21 test.
Tango 21 working.
Roger. Well, I'll plug an extension speaker in. We've sold it, you know.
Roger, off we go.
Roger.
Right, we're passing the house and recording.
Roger on that, and on this radio we've got a tone control.
Roger that, so I'm heading up the lane
Low,
towards the end
medium,
of it. Not getting
high,
run over by tractor.
medium, low.
Just passing this tractor and doggy daycare.
Roger on that, that's fine, thank you.
Roger that. Alright, we're coming up to the end of the lane.
Roger, got you at the end of the lane.
Roger.
Passing Ancaster service station, 154.9, 189.9.
Well, something's going to be more at, what was it, 205.7.
So 5.9 for diesel there. We're now passing through Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger, got you going through Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger. Top of the hill, let's go down in towards Wilsford. Over.
Already got you at the top of the hill.
Roger. Chippie, we're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you loud and clear going round Scratchy Corner, Wilford. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie, we're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you loud and clear going round Scratchy Corner at Wilsford. I'm on the
Harrier CBX from 1981 using Cybernet 134 chassis, upper tier version, on standard replacement line, 3641,000.
Yep, roger that. All received, no problems.
Roger.
Going over Wilsford level crossing. Over.
Okay, going over Wilsford level crossing.
Roger. Passing the Grayleys turn.
Looks like you have the Grayleys turn.
Roger. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now at the 5 mile point.
Roger, got you the 5 mile point. I'm on this Harrier CBX and it's doing full forward output during 1.18 amps. We're going to go to low power, it's been set for 400 milliwatts. Here we go, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Doing 400 milliwatts and doing 500 milliamps. Back to full power. There we are, back on full power. And that's it, over.
Yep, roger that, no problems on full power. Had to override the squelch on low power, and it's pretty noisy today, so it's difficult to read you.
Well, it's going to get worse and worse as the trees get more leaves on and that. Right, off you go when you're ready.
Yeah, roger that. Right, we're on the move again.
Roger, roger.
We're almost square wheeled. In fact, we are going to be for the train, but it's gone through and the barriers will be up shortly.
Roger on that.
Right, next train just going through, normal 2. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going over Rossby level crossing. Over. Yeah, 155, 154.9 and 189.7.
Roger on that, I will speak, thanks very much.
Roger that, 10-10.
21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going over the level crossing. Over.
Roger, got you going over Rosby level crossing. Have you got a petrol price at that end, please? Over.
Yeah, 154.9 and 189.7.
Roger on that. I worked a treat. Thanks very much.
Roger that,
10-10. Right, well that did work. Great, we'll go over to our base station, which has exactly the same chassis in it as this. The Cybernet 134, our Midlands at 76900.
Thank you, 21, testing the Harrier CBX into our Midlands 76900 base station. This is a full power, testing 1, 2, 3, standard replacement mic. Go to low power, 1, 2, 3, that's a low power. Do the low back to full power, just as a hum test. If there was a hum present, it would diminish on low power. So there we go. I think tomorrow we've either got another realistic 2001 or we may be back onto trucking and farming. I think there's a max